Hello everybody, thought I'd get up just a little early, do a quick video. I'm back here at the hospital, at the pond around here. We've got a lot of Canadian geese here. Me living so close, I see them circling around early in the morning about this time, so I thought I'd get here about 20-30 minutes before I usually see them, so I can get set up, take some test pictures, and we'll sit here and wait 30-45 minutes, see what we see, and show you the pictures. We've had a few geese come in and fly around, land. First thing I noticed off was my shutter speed wasn't fast enough. So it's right before sunrise here. The light's changing. It's going to be changing rapidly. So I went ahead and put it on auto ISO. That way I've got my shutter speed locked in to a minimum amount. Let the camera adjust the ISO for me. And of course, I've got the f-stop locked in place. But what I'm using today is a 200 to 500 milliliter lens. But it's not that fast of a lens. I've got faster lenses at home that just don't have this focal length on them. So to get it dialed into what you want and the shutter speed that you want, go ahead and try to lock that shutter speed in at one point or another here. Right now the pond is pretty clear. Most of the geese have gone and moved elsewhere, but we'll give it a couple more minutes. We got some more circling around here. See if we can catch these. Okay, all the geese seem to be congregating in the parking lots now. So got here a little before 7 o'clock. So probably in a couple weeks I'll come out another Friday or Saturday or Sunday and maybe get here about 6:30 or so, just to see how the activity of the geese are and catch them flying around some more. So keep watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks. I'll share this with y'all as I left. Here's where all the geese are, the little baby geese blocking the road. Just will let them get on by.